Hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I'm your chef Charisse, and today we are going to make vegan pumpkin spice pretzel bites. Girl, what? Okay, so you all know cinnamon and sugar like pretzel bites is the thing. We gonna kick it up a notch with the pumpkin. Smash that like button if you're tired of my pumpkin spice videos. All right. So also before I get started, I did want to mention, if you haven't heard, sis, I have a Patreon now, exclusive VIP content though. Link below. You want to check it out, help support me. My hair getting caught in my lip gloss. Because I couldn't make these recipes without you guys. Seriously, honestly, all jokes and laughs aside, could not do it without you. So go ahead and check out my Patreon, see what tiers I have, see if there's something that you can jump on board, something that you want from me, sis. I got you. Let's jump in. Alrighty, Roo. First thing we need to do is bloom our yeast. So I have a little packet of active dry yeast. Make sure it's the active dry and not instant. We're going to cut the tip off. Oh, just the tip. Okay, so I'm going to put that in there, and then I'm going to add a half a cup of water, and I'm also going to add a half a cup of our oat milk, homemade, you guys. If you want the recipe for that, I'm going to leave it here.
Get a pick, show me where to go. Me squish, chick a back, no doubt that I dig. She laid me to rest with the white slip skirt, flirting with an angel that was caught in the surf. The birth of my heart started with the touching the surf. I dive at first on my earth, submersed in the love divers. Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through.
Super cheap, super easy. So this water and the oat milk is warm, not hot, not cold, but warm. And then we're just gonna let this sit for like 5-10 minutes and wait for our yeast to bloom. I take it back. Before you let it bloom, I forgot. One of the best parts is you want to add 2.5 teaspoons of sugar and mix that in, because that's going to help our yeast bloom faster, because it's going to eat that sugar and be like, oh my God, I love sugar. I'm a bloom. I'm alive, beach. While we're waiting for our yeast to bloom, I'm also going to take 3 tablespoons of vegan butter, and I'm going to melt it in the microwave until it's just melted, and I'm going to let it hang out before we're ready to put it in there, because I don't want it to be hot when we put it in there, but we want it melted. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now I'm going to add 2.25 cups of flour, all purpose. Get out of there. Why is she sticking, girl? I need that flour. Okay. And then I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm also going to add our melted vegan butter and pull out my spatula. And we're just going to start mixing together till we can't mix no more. And don't forget, with that oat milk, you guys, Ellie's Best, like they out here, that will be linked below. Make sure you use my code Midnight Munchies for 10% off. You won't be sorry. And now we're gonna turn her out on our lightly floured surface. Get all the good bits here. See, I get all the good bits out of there. Oh my God, it smells so good already. And then we're just gonna knead this for about 3 to 5 minutes until it just comes together. If it starts to get too sticky, add some more flour, totally fine. This is one of my favorite doughs to knead because it's so soft. You don't need a lot of arm power, sis. And then you just wanna form her into a ball. I have this bowl that's been lightly greased with some vegan butter, and I'm just gonna take my ball, pound her down in there, and I'm gonna cover her up and store her in a warm place and wait for her to rise about an hour or until doubled in size. Look at this beautiful risen ball of amazing. So you wanna know what my favorite part is? Are you ready for my favorite part though? If you've seen my videos before, you know. Punch it. Oh my God, it's my favorite. Take out some aggression. It feels so good. So we're gonna turn her out onto. Oh no, get out of there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're okay. Charisse is freaking out for nothing. So we're gonna put her on a lightly floured surface, and then we're just gonna I don't know, go like that a little bit. And then we're gonna take our handy dandy pizza cutter and cut her just in like, I don't know, about 8 equal parts. So now we're gonna take one of our little bally balls and we're just gonna start rolling her out into little snakes. Okay, so I have all my little dealy boppers lined up and I'm just gonna come in with my pizza cutter and we're just gonna cut her into little like, you know, bites, because they're pretzel bites. So you decide how big you want your bites, you know what I'm saying? That looks inappropriate. Okay, great. Okay, so I have 4 cups of super hot water on the stove, about medium-high heat. It already has heated up. You can see this, medium high. How are you? And then I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of baking soda. Oh, look at her go! All right, so I'm just going to give her a little, make sure she's mixed together. My cats are fighting, if you hear them in the background. It's about feeding time. So once that dissolves just a little bit here, we're gonna start putting our little bites in. So let me just start grabbing a couple. And we're gonna let these, like, I don't know, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Make sure you flip them around a little bit. Don't add too many at a time because you don't want them to stick together. But this is what's gonna give them like that pretzel-y flavor texture going on. So just give her 20-30 seconds and then we're going to take them out and we're going to put them on a greased cookie sheet. And now we're going to take our shriveled up balls here. They do too. They get all like shriveled tits, like, oh my god, oh man balls. So we're going to put these in a preheated 465 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 10 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Okay, so I have 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this together for when our pretzels are done. Oh my god, you guys, look at our pretzels. So I have a few tablespoons of vegan butter that I melted and I'm gonna pour it all over, and then I'm just gonna start tossing them around so they're all fully coated. And then we're gonna take our pumpkin spice sugar mixture. I think I made too much. Whatever, fuck it, right? We out here making a treat. And again, we're just gonna toss her around until everything is coated. You guys, look at how you're malicious. Okay, so I'm gonna bite one. I'm gonna bite into one and show you the center. Oh, look at how like fluffy, delicious. If you couldn't tell, I'm making these for football tomorrow. Ravens Nation is a great football snack. They're also a great I want something delicious snack. That pumpkin spice, because we put it in the pretzel as well, really like follows through with the whole bite, but you still got that like pretzelness. Oh, girl, make these. If you made my pretzels before, make these for your omnivore. Make these for a football snack. People will be like, I have no words. It's not very often that I don't have any words. This is one of those times. So, full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you smash that like button. Help my algorithm. If you like my video, I can't stop singing about nothing. Okay, love you, bye.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.